Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 6.1, the third Roman letter. If 2 cos theta is equals to root 3, find the other values, all the trigonometric ratios of angle theta. That is a question. That means you have to find out sin theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. Okay. So first from the given value, we come to know that what is the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So with this values, we can find the other values. See, I have drawn the right angle triangle. Theta I have fixed in one place. So opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but root 3 by 2. That means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is root 3 and 2 is the hypotenuse value that I have written, which is unknown to me, that I kept to be x. Okay, in a value we doesn't know, that value I kept to be x. Now from here I am going to find out what is the value of x. So how to find the value of x? By using the Pythagoras theorem. 2 squared is equal to root 3 the whole squared plus x squared. Okay, so 4 is equal to 3 plus x squared, whereas x is equal to 1. So that's what I have written, the place of x to be 1. So with the help of this value, now we can write the other values. Now sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse from the figure. So 1 by 2, and tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that we can write. So that by that way we will be getting the value 1 by root 3. And cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So it is the value is 2. And secant is 1 by cos. So 2 by root 3. And cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta, or else 1 by tan theta. The reciprocal of reciprocal of tan theta, that is nothing but root 3. So from this we will be getting the values of all the trigonometric ratios. Okay. The fourth question is, if cos A is equals to 3 by 5, find sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. So the value of cos A is given. With the help of that, we can find the other values by using the Pythagoras theorem. Cos is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. So substitute the values adjacent side and hypotenuse value. So 3 and 5 I have placed. Now I have to find out x, which I kept that x there, unknown value of AC. Okay, so 5 squared is equals to 3 squared plus x squared, whereas 5 squared is nothing but 25 and that side 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16, therefore x is equals to 4. So now we got till this, right? Now with the help of this I can get the other values, because I have only the values of cos A I had. Now I am able to write what is sin A and tan A. After getting the value of sin A and tan A, I am going to substitute in this place. Okay, so sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. That's what I have substituted here. Is it clear? So 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is 1 by 5, and here it is 8 by 3. Then when it goes the reciprocal, that is after solving this, we will be getting the value as 3 by 40 is the exact answer for this question. Okay. Sixth question is, sin theta is equals to a by square root of a square plus b square. Okay. The question is, prove b sin theta equal to a cos theta. We have to prove that. So with the help of the sin values, again we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Now you can see here. Okay. So it is theta is there, and the value of sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So I have written opposite side value is a, hypotenuse square root of a square plus b square. Now my aim is to find out what is x. Okay, adjacent side. So Pythagoras theorem use பண்ணும்போது, you have square root of a square plus b square the whole square, which is nothing but equal to 9 square plus x square. Then sorry, it is a squared. Okay, this is not 9, this is a. So the value is, this is your e. Okay, understood? Okay, so a squared plus b squared, which is equals to a squared plus x squared. You can cancel a squared and a squared, so that you will get the value of x is equals to b. So that we can substitute in this values. So cos theta is equals to b by square root of a squared plus b squared. And then just multiply sin theta with a and sin theta with b. So b sin theta is equal to, means you will get ab by square root of a square plus b square. Cos theta with a. So that is also we are getting the same value like this. Now it is proved that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. Understood? So just we are multiplying the b and a along with the numbers. So we are getting the same value for b sin theta and a cos theta. That's what asked to prove us b sin theta equal to a cos theta. That's it. That is the answer for this question. Okay. Now the homeworks for you is you can complete the sum as fifth sum and the seventh sum. You should take it as a homework and complete and keep. Thank you.